Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make these amazing blueberry muffins. These were very delicious, definitely my favorite blueberry muffin recipe, so I recommend you guys try it out. The original recipe link will be in the description along with the measurements for this recipe. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. The first step we want to start by doing is in a medium-sized bowl, you want to cream together your room temperature butter and your granulated sugar. Once your sugar and butter is light and fluffy, you want to start by adding your eggs in one at a time, and you just want to mix this thoroughly until all the ingredients combine together. Lastly, for the wet ingredients, you just want to mix in your vanilla extract. Then you want to sift together your all-purpose flour, your baking powder, and your salt over your wet ingredient mixture, and you just want to mix this until it's combined. Once you started mixing your flour with your wet ingredients, you can now start to add all of your milk to this mixture and mix this until all the ingredients are incorporated together. And again, make sure to not overmix the batter or your muffins will be dense. For the blueberries, you can use fresh or frozen. I'm using thawed out frozen blueberries. You want to take half a cup out of the 2 cups you're going to be using and add them to a small bowl, and you just want to mash them with a fork. Now you just want to add your mashed blueberries to your batter, and make sure to not overmix this. Just mix it for like 5 seconds because we're actually going to be doing some more mixing with the whole blueberry, so be careful with this step. By the way, if you don't want the batter to turn purple, you can drain the mashed blueberries before you add them. Also, I feel like it would be like if you use fresh blueberries, you won't have this problem. Or you can just try to get as much of the liquid out of the frozen blueberries as possible, but personally I do not mind having a colored batter. Lastly, you want to add the rest of your blueberries to your batter, and you just want to fold the blueberries into the batter until everything is incorporated. Then you want to line a 12-inch muffin tin with cupcake liners, and you just want to spoon in your batter. Also make sure to fill up the batter enough so the muffins don't turn out too low. So just pretty much copy what I'm doing. I pretty much filled them pretty much all the way. You can see there's a little bit of space. Just make sure you fill the cupcake liners enough. Now you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then you want to add in your muffins and turn the heat down to 375 and cook them for around 25 to 30 minutes. And that is it for this week's recipe. I really hope you guys try this recipe out, especially if you love blueberry muffins. I really like this recipe. The muffins turned out really soft and moist, and even seemed more moist to me the next day. So yeah, these were really good. The recipe will be in the description along with the measurements. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go, and please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week with a new recipe. Bye!